Good morning, guys. It's my Wednesday. You're seeing this on Monday, apparently. But I needed to make this video today because this is my very first day with my new exercises. Stupid watch. Hold on. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I've said it before. I have to wait till my other family members leave the house before I can do my workout because I hate being distracted. And I hate having the door closed because then the air from the swamp cooler can't get in here and it just gets hot and muggy. And anyway, today is a brand new day. I went to my physical therapist. We did some tests. And although I struggled, we figured out what weights I need to progress and keep building more strength, not puff. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm probably only going to be able to, I don't even know how many I can do, to be honest with you, because the tests we did were just minor. I didn't do a full workout. We just did a couple of minor tests to see if I could even lift them. So today is the first day of my new workout. And I'm a little nervous. But we need to get this going. So let's get started. We'll see where we're at. We'll go from there. If I fail, I fail. And if I succeed, then I succeed. So let's get started. One, two, three, four, five. Whew. Five. We're starting over with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We're going to set them down for a minute. Guys. It's like when I started with the 40s. You go back to the beginning of my videos, I started with 5 reps. Started with 5 reps of everything. And I pushed myself like I just did. That was the hardest thing I've done in a long time. That was difficult. But we did 5. And I'm extremely proud that I was able to muster 5. But I have 3 sets to do. And then my physical therapist said not to push myself so hard that I'm doing 6 sets a day like I was before. He said just do my 3 sets in the morning until I get more used to them. Because he knows I'll push myself to the breaking point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I know you're thinking, man, you're setting the weights down a lot. Yeah, I am. They're much heavier. Much heavier. You don't realize how much heavier an extra 20 pounds is in each arm until you go up 20 pounds. That's a lot, my friends. That's a lot. One, two, three, 4, 5. Oh, holy shit. I am feeling this. Whew. So to put that into perspective, if you pick up 2 40-pound dumbbells, that's 80 pounds. You pick these up, now you're picking up 120 pounds. So I've gone from 80 pounds to 120 pounds. 40-pound dumbbells to 60 pounds, times 2. From 80 to 120. That's a big difference in your muscles going, holy shit, what are we doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I have not tried yet to do the triceps with these bigger weights. I was kind of hitting the back of my head with the 40s. We'll see how it goes with the 60. Almost done with my first set. Still have 2 sets to go. But I got to tell you guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. Oh, I don't know why that last one did that. 10. Oh, okay. So you know we do double triceps because we're only using 1 weight. Everything else we're using 2 weights. So we have that full 60 pounds on each arm. But with the triceps, we're using both hands on 1 weight. So to get the same amount of muscle burn, we have to do twice as many sets. So, guys, take a look. $60 pounds. I'm pretty fucking happy. I'm pretty fucking happy. My physical therapist is blown out of the water. We, after a bunch of injuries and sitting on my ass in front of a computer for 10 years, the heaviest thing I've lifted was a cup of coffee. And he wanted to start me with the 20s. That didn't work. So we started me with 40s less than 90 days ago. Less than 3 months ago. We started with 40s. We started with 5 reps. I gradually, over that 90-day period, got to where I was doing 20 reps of each exercise. And he said, all I'm going to do then is keep building puff. I need to go heavier in order to build more strength. So we tested me yesterday on Tuesday. Again, you're seeing this on Monday, so it's been a week now. We tested me yesterday, and he said that he wanted me to do a weight that I could barely get 5 out. He said, I'll build more strength doing 5 reps with straining myself than I will doing 20 reps without much strain. So he said, if you want to build puff, you do lighter weights and more reps, and that builds the short fibers in the muscle, which make them bigger. But if you want to build strength, you do fewer reps with exceptionally heavy weights, and that builds the long fibers, the strength fibers that sustain. So there we have it. That's the workout for today, guys. Starting a brand new 90-day program with the 60-pound dumbbells. I will see you in my next video.